Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How my beautiful people doing today? I hope you all is doing fine. Well, I'm excited to be in the garden today. I'm really excited. The worms them that I spray, I ain't seeing no worm at all. So that's really good for me. I'm so excited because you guys know that I have worked very hard in this garden. I show you guys step by step how I do my garden. I show you guys the progress. So I know you guys know how hard I work in this garden. And this garden is really coming along pretty well. Today, I'm using today to clean up. So I already start cleaning up. And as you can see, it's harvest time again. It's definitely harvest time again, guys. Yeah. My collard greens them is really shooting up. With that rain, it's really pushing them out. Look at this one. This one basically ready to pick. So I'm gonna pick this one and I'm gonna pick this cabbage. I have kale here that I got to pick as well. I have collard greens. I have quail. I have spinach. I have everything, guys. It seems like every 3 to 4 days I can harvest up in here. So let me go down there and show you guys the potato them. Because the potato them, you see, look at that. Everything is looking really nice. So guys, I don't know if you guys really paying attention to my videos them, but this garden did not cost me $50 to plant it. This garden did not cost me $50. Okay? I show you guys the method. I show you guys I plant my seed, set my seed, and plant them out. I'll show you guys that. A few things I purchased because I get them at a really good price. So that's the only reason why I purchased them. And some of the stuff I purchased because I wanted a head start. But this garden, as you seeing up there, I did not spend $50 because I did not spend no money at all into fertilizer and manure. I did not spend no money into that area. So it caused me to save a lot of money. These are the potato them. Yeah. I'm still cleaning up the garden, guys. I'm still cleaning it up. Yeah, all these are potato. Right over here. I also have potato there, but I'm cleaning it up right now. Go back over there. You can see potato, but I'm just cleaning up right now. These are some tomatoes I planted down to the bottom, and now they all shooting up really well. Yeah. With the rain, everything kicked off. These are my peppers. I'm gonna pick all these peppers today. Because I'm leaving them, I want them to ripe. But I noticed one of them spoil. So because of this, I'm gonna pick all of them. So this is a garden. Let me try to give you a little view. You see guys, all these is beans. I set the seed and they just shoot right up there. All these, I set seed and they just shoot right up. So we have to find the cheapest way. Instead of you going to the store and buy them, just set them for few days they shoot up. You ain't even have a chance to plant them, just set them in the holes. Few days they shoot up and you good. So guys, this garden did not cost me 50 bucks. Okay? If you new to the channel, you could go back and watch my videos then. You're gonna see my videos how I prepare the garden. You're gonna see the videos how I plant. You're gonna see all the methods to produce a garden like this for under 50 bucks. After I done clean up today, I'm going and do harvest. I'm going and have a harvest today. This is my 4th time harvesting and we just in May. We now turn in May and we have, I already harvest 4. Oh wow. Look at it right here. I'm gonna move it and I'm gonna plant it. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna plant it somewhere else. Let's look down inside it, guys. That's one. Look, another one coming up down in there. And look, a small one. All these are banana pepper right here. Banana pepper. And over here is pepper. They already, sweet pepper, they already start blossom. Yes. Guys, these are my tomato. And as you can see, the tomato them looking as healthy can be. So this one, I already put the stake inside here to keep it up. I already put a stake here as well. And between these two, this is my stick. You see, I ain't got to go and buy nothing. All I go and cut up is a stick and I'm good to go. So all this saved me a bunch of money. So what I'm gonna do now, you see what I do? I put the stick here and I'm gonna push it down there. But I'm gonna leave that for next video so you guys can see what I'm doing. Right now I'm just giving you guys a view of the whole garden that I plant for less than 50 bucks. All these are my cabbage them. All them I'm gonna harvest today. This one as well. I spray all of them and I'm not seeing no worms, so that's really good news for me. These are some cucumber. These are some kale. I'm getting ready to plant these as well. Look at this pepper, loaded with pepper. You see? Loaded with pepper. You guys just keep watching the videos and you guys gonna see the result of the peppers them. Because the way I plant peppers, they just bear ongoing and they produce a lot of big peppers. So just stay tuned. Yeah, my cucumber them start blossom. Yeah, you see everything coming along pretty decent, guys. And all of this tomato up there again. This is my herb bed. This is where I have my herbs. These parsley ready to pick. I'm gonna pick all these, no, celery, these celery. They basically ready to pick. So I'm gonna pick some today to make seasoning. And all these, guys, all these is my mint. Like I tell you guys, plant mint in your garden. Plant them around your kale, plant them around your sweet pepper, plant them around your tomatoes, and even your cabbage. And they will give you some real sweet flavor. So I don't know if you guys remember the video that I use how I prepared this area. I did not use no fertilizer. All I use bush and grass mixed up with dirt. Yeah, this is our next tomato here. Wow. And all these is pepper. So I have a lot of pepper coming up. A whole lot of pepper. Watch all my peach fall off from the rain. Yes, guys, so this is what's going on in the garden. Garden coming along pretty well. This is more potato right here. This is cabbage. No, sorry guys. Carrots and squash. A lot of beautiful things, man. Yeah. So this is the garden. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Can you please like, share, subscribe please to this channel. Thank you guys. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day.